Hello Aquarius, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and I am Himali Narsian, your astrologer, tarot reader, numerologist and life coach. Let's look at what your weekly energies are for the week of 25th January to the 31st January 2021. And starting with your energies, we've got the Temperance and the Rebel. So a lot of signs have got this combination for some reason. It's something to do with the environment, I believe. 30th, also we are starting Mercury retrograde, and therefore this could be a warning that you need to remain very, very balanced in your approach. You cannot afford to be rebellious, because if you do, you're going to lose out on your present happiness. Whatever it is that you want to do, you have to do it very, very wisely. You can also see for some of you, there could be marriage on the cards. For some of you, it could be a good news. It could be a little member coming into your house. So some sort of a good news is also expected in your overall week. But the major message here is to maintain a balance. On your love front, we've got the Judgment and Nothingness. So if you are waiting for a decision without making efforts, it's not going to come to fruition. In case if you are waiting to get married, your parents or the family members may also give a green signal and you can go ahead with the proposal. If you are someone who has been stuck in a situation for a long time to get an approval from your parents, from your families, this is a week where you will see things moving a little ahead for you and your loved one. On the work front, you've got the Emperor and friendliness. So the Emperor and friendliness again indicates here that you could be very stubborn and you want something and friendliness here can indicate that you can only get it through a partner. Only and only if you can ask for help, you can lower your pride and ask for help, you will be able to get what you want. In case you don't do that, you can remain stubborn and nothing will change for you, Aquarius. This could be a water sign. This could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces that will likely come to your likely be there for your help. And you will have to be very, very polite and very diplomatic with them to get any sort of help from them. So if you can put your diplomacy skills to use, Aquarius, a lot of these things may just be handled by your water body friend, and they will actually get you the results that you are exactly looking for. On the health front, we've got the Empress and the High Priestess. Amazing. So the Empress here can indicate hormonal issues for the women who are watching this video. It can also indicate something to do with ovaries, breast, and stomach and nutrition related things. The Empress here can indicate pregnancies for sure. And the sort of setup we have with the cards, pregnancy is a very high chance here. Also can denote laziness and STDs. So you will have to be very careful who you associate with, Aquarius. The lucky color for you for this week is pink. Let love in is the message for you. Number 4 is your lucky number. Speeches and speaking. You have important messages to deliver that can help others is the message that you have from archangels. And if Aquarius is looking to change jobs or are just struggling with what to do, the card says career change. You're embarking upon a career that brings you the joy and abundance you desire and deserve. The lucky crystal for you this week is black hematite. So Aquarius, this was your weekly reading. Please write to me in the comment section below if this resonates with you. And I look forward to reading all your comments. I'm going to come back with a big surprise next week. Until then, you stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.